Hello everyone. I hope everyone is doing great. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, kindly like and subscribe. In case you have any ideas, any questions, you can always reach me out. So today video is not a tutorial, but thanks to n8n. So recently, one person from their community team reached out to me on my email address, and they said they really appreciate me creating an n8n tutorial which I recently did, although it was one tutorial as I did not got time to create more, but they wanted to send me the gift, and I finally received these gifts. So I am gonna share with you. First is the personal thank you note from them. Okay, and then next one is stickers from them. These are very cool stickers. I did not use any of these yet, so before using them I wanted to make this video. Next is cap from them, and which is very great, and also it is made from 100% recycle, which is very good for environment, thanks to the n8n. Next is the shirt. Okay, I did not wear it yet. I just open it and click the picture of it, and it is very good stuff. So next one is the ring. This is selfie ring. Uh, it is rechargeable. Very nice one. It comes with its own charger and everything, like on its own cable, and it's a very nice one, and everything is with n8n branding, which is very cool. And last item is my favorite one, and even right now I am recording with that item as well. So last one is the recorder, bluetooth wireless mic. It is very nice. I am actually recording it with it, and you can probably hear the my voice clearly. And also there should be less or none background noise. So thanks to n8n for this gift. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day ahead. If anyone got any questions or any ideas with n8n and they want me to create a tutorial for it, kindly do share. I have barely have any time, so that's why recently I did not upload it in tutorial, but I will start doing it from now on and try to be regular as much as possible to share my knowledge with everyone else. Thank you everyone. Have a wonderful day ahead.